Welcome to another iCube example solve. In this video, I'll be doing an example walkthrough solve for the advanced CFOP method. This is actually a scramble I came across not too long ago, and I got an 11 on the solve, planned the first pair, so I just really liked it, but I rotated 3 times in F2L. So I'm going to show you my solution, and then I'm actually going to do a second solution on this video that I think is maybe a little bit better with less rotations. So yeah, you'll have 2 examples for this scramble. I'm going to link in the intermediate example solve because I did use advanced F2L and advanced cross in that video. So if this one is a little too advanced for you, you might want to watch that video because it's more of a basic, just regular advanced cross, regular F2L. This one's a little special. I might be showing some new moves that you haven't seen yet for crossing F2L. But I just wanted to give you guys a nice example solve and 2 options so that you can see what an advanced CFOP solve should kind of look like. Also, if you don't know how to scramble yet, I will link in that video too so you can see how to scramble. And for this video, this is the scramble that we'll be doing. Okay, so the first thing that I saw is I noticed this pair right here, and I wanted to preserve it, but I wasn't sure if I could. I saw that green's already inserted, red is kind of set up with green, and then orange was 1 away from the right spot. So what I planned to do was protect green and set up red, and then move orange into its correct spot. And so then when I would do that, I would insert red, and then this pair would be here. So then before inserting green, you can do a U prime and insert green with this pair. Then that would put the blue white in the top, so you could just bring it over to the blue side and insert it. So now I'm going to show you what all of that would look like, but that was my plan for my X cross. So that's the cross plus the first pair. So protect green and set up red. Now do a D prime maybe, or D, I don't know, to get the orange in the right spot. Insert red, do a U prime to make this block, then insert green. So now you have red, green, and orange with this block right here, the first pair solved. All you have left is your blue-white pair, so do a U2 and insert the blue. So now you have your X cross. The next thing I noticed was this blue-red pair, so I put it in the back, set up the 3 mover, then I did a U prime while rotating, so it's kind of a rotate, kind of not, and then insert that pair in the back. Next I saw this green-red pair, so I used the green-red slot to set up your 3 mover, rotate in the back and do a U prime again, and then insert that in the back. Then I noticed this blue-orange pair right here, so I protected the edge to pair them up, then I inserted them. Then next you have OLL 41, so this is the awkward shape without blocks, the right hand version. And then right here you see this is how you recognize your J perm. It's on the right side, so this is going to be your lefty dominant J perm, which is a JA perm. And then for AUF, this block of 3 is going to be in the back, so you're going to need to do a U2 after your JA perm. There's your JA perm and a U2. And that's the solution that I did on the fly. But now I'm going to go through this scramble again, but with a solution that has less rotations in F2L. So I'm going to get this scramble set up again. Whoa. Alright, almost messed it up. But we got it. Our scramble is good to go. So this one's going to be the same exact X cross solution. So protect green, set up red, move orange, insert red, U prime to set up that block, insert green with the block, and then insert blue. Now this time I noticed the blue-red, set it up using the blue-red slot, but then instead of rotating and solving in the back, just do a U prime, and then you can do the FU F prime solution into the front, so there's no rotations. Then I noticed this green-red pair again, and this is a nice little fun trick. I really like the solution when it needs to go in front, and these are a U2 away. You can just use this slot, which will take out this pair, do your U2, but then you can cancel into setting up that 3 mover, doing a U, then cancel into an R, I guess an R2, kind of like your R prime, to reinsert that pair. So just setting that up again, just so you can see it again. You protect the corner, U2, insert, insert. So you kind of take this pair out and then put it back in to solve this, and it actually goes really fast, and it's a really nice solution. Then next right here, I saw this blue-orange. I know I only have one corner left, and I see white right here. So I don't even have to look in the back. I know this is the right one, and I know if I protect this edge and take it out with a U, it sets up the 3 mover into the back. So I just felt like that was a much better F2L solution. That's why I wanted to show it. And then next, we have right here, this is OLL 7. So it's your wide soon, or your wide feed the fish. I think that's the wide version of the 27 case. But yeah, it's OLL 7. And then once you do that, that gives you an A perm right here. I see that the headlights need to move 1, and 1 corner is good, 3 corners need to move. You have this 2x2 block with these 2 match. So that's how I'm noticing the AA perm. And then for AUF, the headlights are going to go to this side, so we'll have to do one more U at the end to get the blue over here. So do your AA perm, and then do a U, and that's your solution. So that's 2 example solves for 1 scramble. One was the one that I just did on the fly, and then one was after I looked into it and I analyzed it, went a little more slow, and found a better solution. So I always like to, whenever I find a nice solve, I always try to see if I can even make it better, so I'll go back to it. So I just want to share that with you guys. I hope it was helpful. Here we did the advanced CFOP method. We did advanced cross, where we did an X cross. Then advanced F2L with some fancy inserts. And then we did full OLL, full PLL. So it was a 4-step solve. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on future videos.
We have just finished our last video in this house.
Wow, that's so sad.
That's really sad.
Wow, that's crazy. We did it, bro.